We estimate that there will be a significant wait for your call to be answered due to the number of callers in the queue. To request an update or provide an update about your crime, you will find it quicker to do so via our website at www.met.police.uk/contact. That's met.police.uk/contact. If you wish to remain in the queue for an operator, please hold. There are at least 5 callers in the queue ahead of you. Please hold and a representative will be with you as soon as possible. We estimate that there will be a significant wait for your call to be answered due to the number of callers in the queue. To request an update or provide an update about your crime, you will find it quicker to do so via our website at www.met.police.uk/contact. That's met.police.uk/contact. If you wish to remain in the queue for an operator, please hold. There are at least 5 callers in the queue ahead of you. Please hold and a representative will be with you as soon as possible. We estimate that there will be a significant wait for your call to be answered due to the number of callers in the queue. To request an update or provide an update about your crime, you will find it quicker to do so via our website at www.met.police.uk/contact. That's met.police.uk/contact. If you wish to remain in the queue for an operator, please hold. There are at least 5 callers in the queue ahead of you. Please hold and a representative will be with you as soon as possible.
بس عشان اتاكد 3 ظروف يعني مش الحق ماشي يلا صح شو
We estimate that there will be a significant wait for your call to be answered due to the number of callers.
ليكو اللي سرقه
To request an update or provide an update about your crime, you will find it quicker to do so via our website at www.met.police.uk/contact.
هو حملها هيك على كبرية؟
police.uk/contact. If you wish to remain in the queue for an operator, please hold.
يا عم بالنهار
There are at least 5 callers.
أنا الساعة 11:30 12 إلا تلت كنت هنيك. ما قلت لك شفت السيارة رجعت ما عاد لقيتها.
انجليزي؟
شكله عراقي، شكله كردي، شكله لا مو أشهر.
هيك ابن الحرام عم بحمل. لا ما انت لو بدك لاقي شو بدك تعمل فيه؟ هيك عم بحملها.
شوف أنت احفظه الريكفري عم تحفظه. إذا شفته هون بالقرنة احفظه.
فورد ما؟
إيه. احفظ.
ليك البوليس هدفنا هدف.
احفظ شكله.
There will be a significant wait for your call to be answered due to the number of callers in the queue.
هيك ما أبردوا ليه؟